Here we are now at the southeast elevators. Let's see if we can go up. Nice lanterns. This elevator is very nice. Let's see if we can go to 2. Okay. These elevators are very nice. Right up there you can see into the station. Let's see if we can go to 3 or 4. Okay. Is 4 unlocked? It is. Alright, let's head up to 4. There's the door close. Oh, and there we go down. Door close works. Let's go to 4. I was wondering why we weren't moving. Union Station, Kansas City, 1914. Let's go back down to 1. Coming down?
Yes.
Which floor?
Oh, B.
Okay. I've actually done a video on my YouTube channel of the elevators at Crown Center, the
Oh.
glass ones.
Uh-huh.
It has over 700 views.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's good.
And I only have 17 subscribers.
Hey, that's exposure. That's good.
You have a good
You
day.
too.
Now we're going to the northeast elevators. Okay. I'll meet up with you when I'm done. Hi there. Doing great. Look at this big old locomotive. Here you can show all history of the station. It's a Spectrum Advance SW. Now we're here at the northeast elevator. Let's go up. Again, really nice lanterns. Same elevator as the other one. This one's nice and bright. 4. To my knowledge, I think these are Westinghouse. If any elevator enthusiasts know what elevators these are, feel free to let me know down in the comments section. Let's go back down to 1. And we're already moving. Go back up to 4 one more time. Go back down to 1. All right. That's it for now.